What's up, Team Road Design? We back. Another job on a Midwest Mobile Mechanic Tour. Today we're going to be working on a 2012 Toyota Camry 2.5 liter. This is a 2AR FE engine. We're going to be doing the replacing. Actually, we're not going to replace the engine. We're going to actually overhaul the engine. So we're going to take out the engine, tear it all down, go through it, replace the piston rings. Make sure the block is good, clean out the head, make sure everything is good with the heads, probably resurface the valves, clean out and resurface the seating area where the valves sit at. Also, we're going to probably be replacing new rocker arms, new lifters, probably a thermostat as well as a water pump. It's a customer car. So got about 195,000 miles on it. The customer having problems with oil consumption due to the piston rings sticking on these engines. It's common once you get high mileage, about 110,000 miles, because it's due to the oil change regiments. Most people are told that they can change their oil between 8,000 to 10,000 miles, when actually they should be changing it at 5,000 miles. No matter if you have full synthetic or not. And since you don't, the longevity of the engine, once it reaches a certain amount of miles, it starts to consume and burn oil. About every 1,200 miles, you need to top it off with about a half a quart to a quart. So if you continue with this process, it's only going to get worse over time. And then you'll start having where piston rings start biting into the cylinders walls, and probably need a short block. So hopefully we don't have that issue with this engine. We shouldn't. We having still pretty good drivability, but the customer does have to top off the oil about a half a quart to a quart, every 12 to 1,500 miles. So we want to try to get that done for them now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna time lapse the video. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell button, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us at Road to Zion _design on Instagram. Also, you can check out for the merch. We got different kind of hats, baseball style caps, fitted snapbacks. We got skull caps with leather patches on them. We also got shirts. Go check out the merch, the website, www.road2zion.com. ROAD, the number 2, Zion.com. Man, shout out to our sponsor of our Midwest motorcycle that we're coming to y'all soon with. Custom Chopper Build. Shout out to Knockout Builds for the sponsorship. Shout out to the Joliet Steelers youth football team. Shout out to Gabriel's Garden for the sponsorship. Shout out to Southside HD for the sponsorship, man. Love, man. Thank y'all. Gratitude. Road to Zion, man. Y'all know. Stay tuned.
Zion, road to Zion, road to Zion.
Cars, trucks, SUVs, even diesel tags. Best mechanic on the planet, ain't no need to scratch. Every issue attack like a lion. Got a problem, indeed we'll find it. Pop the hood, we gon' get up inside it. Fix it up, start it up.